Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're looking into run-flat tires, one of the most common topic I get asked. Are they a lifesaver or just a waste of money? As someone who has been a driver and mechanic, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to these tires. Let's break it all down. So, what are run-flat tires? In simple terms, they're designed with reinforced sidewalls that let you drive up to 50 miles even after losing air pressure. Sounds great, right? No need to pull over on the side of the road to change a flat, but as with most things in life, there's a catch. Let's start with the good stuff before we dig into the downsides. First, the benefits. Run flats are all about safety and convenience. They allow you to keep driving after a puncture, which is a big deal if you're alone, driving at night, or in an unsafe area. Plus, many luxury vehicles like BMWs and Mercedes don't even come with spare tires anymore. They rely on run flats instead. For drivers who dread the thought of a roadside tire change, these tires can offer some serious peace of mind. But here's where things start to get complicated. Let's talk about the downsides. And there are quite a few. The biggest complaint? Cost. Run flats are significantly more expensive, often 30% to 100% more per tire than regular ones. And here's the kicker. Most shops won't repair them if they get punctured. So if you pick up a big nail, you're buying a whole new tire. It's frustrating for a lot of people and something I've noticed repeatedly over the years. Another big issue is ride quality. Those reinforced sidewalls that make them so durable also make them stiff, really stiff. Think of it like wearing steel-toe boots instead of running shoes. Sure, they get the job done, but they're not exactly comfortable. Many of my friends, family, and customers with BMWs or Mercedes have told me they eventually switched back to regular tires because the ride was just too harsh. And as run flats age, the ride gets even worse. Performance is another area where run flats fall short. They're heavier than traditional tires, which impacts your car in a few ways. You'll see reduced fuel efficiency, around 1 to 3 miles per gallon less, and in many cases, longer braking distances and less precise handling, especially in wet conditions. These may sound like small differences, but over time, they add up. And here's something most drivers don't think about. Run flats can actually damage your wheels and suspension. Those stiff sidewalls transfer more impact to your rims and suspension components when you hit potholes or rough roads. Now, to be fair, the technology is improving. Manufacturers like Bridgestone and Continental have introduced newer models that ride about 30% smoother than older versions. That's a big improvement, but it doesn't solve all the issues. They're still expensive, and the performance drawbacks are still there. So are they worth it? Here's my honest take. For drivers who value convenience or may struggle with tire changes, run flats could be worth the extra cost. They're especially useful if you often drive in unsafe areas or you are not comfortable changing a tire. However, for most people, I strongly recommend traditional tires and a good portable tire inflator. You'll save money, enjoy a smoother ride, and likely get better tire life. Plus, modern tire pressure monitoring systems usually alert you to issues before a slow leak becomes a serious problem.